Everyone, today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page here, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about WhatsApp and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on or to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.